Hey there, my friends. So in this film, we are going to talk about how you can go ahead and get access to a complete email series that's going to be put into your autoresponder and be able to connect with your new prospects for the next 14 days. This is an amazing functionality because if you remember when we talked about building your email list in a couple of videos ago, is one of the best ways for you to generate income. The money is in the list is what they talk about, but the fortune is in the follow-up. So in this case, you want to have an autoresponder that can respond on your behalf, stay connected with your prospects each and every day. And we can do that with, I'll get you started with a 14-day email series. And I'm going to show you how to get access to that. So what you're going to want to do is down below this video, you're going to have an opportunity to get access to what's called the free traffic accelerator. Okay, this is an original 14 email newsletter. It's got 15 free traffic resources that are already built into it. It's only $10. So you're going to see that this has the email sequence that is going to be an asset that can help people make money. These are little known websites that are going to help drive traffic. It's also going to have, so you're going to have the complete accelerator, which is all 14 of the emails done for you, which gives you access to the autoresponder. There's also some cool bonuses like an affiliate program, Black Book. If you're looking to get into affiliate marketing, there's some great resources for where you can start. I think there's 40 or 50. I mean, there's a lot of them built in. And then this will give you an idea of the different types of emails that are going to be there. These are really well written that are going to help get your audience engaged and also deliver tremendous value. One of the biggest things is too many people jump to, hey, when can I make money? When am I going to get the money? But what a lot of people overlook is that you need to spend the time to develop the relationship. You need to deliver a tremendous amount of value in exchange before people are going to be willing to spend money. So if you deliver a ton of value, they're going to be willing to spend more money with you. But if you only deliver a little bit of value or you're just blasting affiliate links all over the place, that's not going to get you very far. So this is going to be jam-packed with 14 emails, 15 websites, including the welcome email, and you can get access to that just below. Now, once you get access to it, I'm going to show you two things. One is I'm going to use an example because the only way to get the autoresponder email series code is by purchasing the free traffic accelerator down below. But I'm going to show you how to import it once you get it, okay? So if you come in here, we're going to just use the example of, we'll just use this one right here. So there's going to be a code. I'm going to grab this code, which is going to be in the package that you purchase. And then once you have that, this is going to be just like we did with the capture and the thank you pages. So you've got your email list. So over on the left-hand side, we created a new list under List Manager. You would click on Email Series, okay? And if it's not active, I haven't activated this one because we just went through it. But what you will do is you will click on Import. We will paste. You're going to do Add on to existing episodes, and you're going to click Yes. As soon as I click Import Now, you're going to see immediately all of those emails auto-populated. That's how fast it is. And it's going to save you a ton of time. This is a great example of an email that was put together, and you can see that if you had to come up with this, it would take you a ton of time trying to come up with 14 days worth of material and also do the research for the different websites. It would just take a lot of time. So that's all been done for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to scroll down to the email series, because there's one more really important thing that you need to do once you get it imported. There's another great opportunity for you to engage with your audience. You can talk about maybe some other offers or some opportunities, some services that you want to promote. And so what you'll want to do, let me go all the way down here and right here. So this is what the email series is going to look like. You can see there's 0 plus 13, so that's the 14 days. On the first one here, you're going to want to scroll down, and anytime that you see, usually it's at the bottom. I didn't do it for every single one because you don't want to always send offers. You want to deliver a lot of value like we were talking about. And what will be really important for you is you have a chance kind of right here on the tail end where you can say, hey, that's all for today, but hey, I'll be back with some more tomorrow. But in the meantime, check this thing out. And in this case, if you see a hyperlink, you'll want to come in here, click on that link, highlight it here, and then change it to whatever it is you want to share with your audience. If that's another offer, if that's you want to redirect them to your website, maybe you've got a YouTube channel or a Facebook page, or maybe you've got a blog or something. You can redirect them however you want. But I want to make sure that you know that in each one of these emails, you want to be on the lookout for that in order that you can add value in the way that you want to. What's going to make it unique to you. Now, there are going to be a couple of them where these are actually going to tie directly to those websites. I guarantee all of those are just to the website. There is no affiliate links for the websites that we are going to be sharing with those prospects, with your prospects. But at the bottom of each one of these, that is where you have a chance to put in an affiliate link, redirect to another website that you choose. So just make sure that you take a few minutes, go through each email. Shouldn't take you more than 15, 20 minutes to go in and just copy and paste yours, or you can just delete them out. It's strictly up to you, but it's a great opportunity for you to engage, sharing just more value and more about the things that you're interested in that you think would help them in order to make money online and be able to continue to help them achieve the success that you're wanting to achieve as well. So that's really it for the autoresponder. So what you want to do, make sure that you go down, check out the free traffic accelerator. It's all right down there. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line. I'm always available, and you'll hear from me personally. And then you'll get access to that autoresponder code that then you can drop right in here. And then in the next film, we're going to go ahead and test this and make sure that everything's working great. All right, I'll see you there.